can remember when pants were pants. You wore them for 20 years, then you cut them down for pant scrubs. Oh, quilts. We used to make lovely quilts out of Celanese bloomers. Every gusset a memory. Not bras, though, they won't lie flat, you see. We didn't wear bras till after the war round here. We stayed in and polished the lino. We weren't having hysterectomies every 2 minutes either, like the girls these days. If something went wrong down below, you kept your gob shut and turned up the wireless. And we never got woken with the teas made. We were knocked up every morning by a man with a 6-foot pole. Of course, it wasn't all fun. With no showers, we used to club together and send the dirtiest one to the slipper baths. We might have been mucky, but we had clean slippers. Ooh, and it was all clogs. Clogs on cobbles. You could hardly hear yourself coughing up blood. Ooh, and for years we used to make our own rugs. We used to stitch mice onto pieces of sacking. But I'll never forget the coronation, 1953. We all crammed into the one little front room and stared at this tiny grey picture. Someone had cut it out of the paper, nobody got television till the year after. I think we were more neighbourly, you know, like if anybody was ill in bed, the whole street would let themselves in and ransack the parlour. I mean, did all this keep fit? We got our exercise lowering coffins out of upstairs windows. In fact, if people were very heavy, we used to ask them to die downstairs. But it wasn't all gloom. My brother went to Spain, which was very unusual in those days. Mind you, that was the Civil War and he got shot for trying to paddle. But we had community spirit in our street, right to the end. The day they demolished our street, it was like the war all over again. Dead bodies, hands sticking out of the rubble. I think the council should have let us know. That's me done, best be off. I've got a bit of cellular blanket for my supper, I don't want it to spoil.
Excuse me, sir, I'd like to test. Excuse me, sir, I'd like to test.
Oh! What is that?
It's an anti-mugging spray, sir. £5 and £7. I'd like to test.